handy $1 bill. Here's the other one, by the way. It's really cool. Let's go. I'm gonna go in to get beef for. I'm not supposed to eat those, but watch this. Got $1. Now I'm gonna get the B4. Watch this. And there you go. Check any in there. There's any change in there? Nope. Alright. There's nothing else with these other vending machines, but they have others I can use. The drinking fountains are out of service right now. So I'm gonna slide over to this machine. The trains are out of service right now.
The train system is out of service. Please use the sidewalks.
So let me grab. All right, hang on. Let me change my. God damn it. Sorry for these swear words I'm using, but here we go. Focus camera. Now it's gonna go automatically because I have a dollar coin. Oh, wow, chest. It's gonna go all the way to 175. Yep, there you go. That one did not change to $2. Well, that didn't go out because it didn't say $2. B2.
The train system is out of service. Please use the sidewalks.